Hello, everyone. Welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael. I am very happy to see you today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for studying English with us.
Today, we have a very important topic. Today, we will talk about apologizing.
Yes, to apologize means to say you are sorry. Everyone makes mistakes. Making a mistake is normal when we learn English. Making a mistake is also normal in life.
We apologize at home. We apologize at school. We apologize at work.
We apologize to our family. We apologize to our friends. Sometimes we even apologize to people we do not know.
Today, we will learn easy English words to say, I am sorry. We will learn how to ask for forgiveness. We will also learn how to answer when someone says sorry to us.
Don't worry. We will speak slowly. We will use easy sentences for A1 and A2 levels.
Let's begin. Apologizing is a part of being polite. In many countries, saying sorry is very common.
Yes. If you step on someone's foot, you say sorry. If you are late for a meeting, you say sorry.
If you break something, you say sorry. If you forget a birthday, you say sorry.
We use different words for different mistakes. We will learn those words today.
We will learn words like apologize, mistake, and forgive. These words help us fix problems with people.
Fix means to make something good again. When we say sorry, we feel better. When we say sorry, the other person feels better too.
Now, let's listen to a conversation. Liam and Emma are friends. Liam is late today. He also has some bad news for Emma. Hello, Emma. I am so sorry.
Hi, Liam. You are very late today. I waited for 30 minutes.
I know. Please apologize to me. Please accept my apology. I missed the bus.
It is okay, Liam. But next time, please call me.
I wanted to call you, but I have more bad news.
What is it?
I made a big mistake. I have your book.
My English book?
Yes, it was an accident. I spilled my water on your book.
Oh no, Liam. That book was new.
I feel terrible. It is my fault. I am very sorry for the mess.
Is the book very wet?
Yes, the pages are wet. I am sorry. Truly, I am sorry.
I am a little sad. I need that book for class tomorrow.
I understand. Please forgive me. I will buy you a new book today.
You will buy a new one?
Yes, it is my responsibility. I want to make it right.
Okay, Liam. I accept your apology. Thank you for being honest.
Thank you, Emma. You are a very kind friend.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
I regret being so messy. From now on, I will be more careful.
Don't worry about it anymore. Let's go to the bookshop now.
Good idea. Let's go. That was the end of the first conversation. Liam had a difficult day.
Yes, he was late and he ruined Emma's book. Ruin means to break or spoil something.
But Liam was very polite. He used many words to apologize.
When you make a mistake, you can say, I am sorry, or you can say, it is my fault.
Saying sorry helps keep friends. It shows you care about the other person's feelings.
In the conversation, Liam and Emma used easy words about mistakes. They talked about accidents, faults, and apologies.
Now, we will learn some important words about apologizing. We will explain them slowly.
Please listen carefully. You can repeat the words after us.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Learning English is like a long walk. You just need to keep moving.
Yes, step by step, you will learn.
Let's start with our first word, apologize.
Apologize.
Apologize means to say you are sorry.
Example 1.
I want to apologize for being late.
Example 2.
You should apologize to your teacher.
Example 3.
She apologized because she forgot my name.
It is a formal word, but we use it often.
You can say I apologize or my apologies.
Apologize is the verb. Apology is the noun.
For example, you can say, please accept my apology.
Or you can say, I apologize for the noise.
This is a very useful word in an office or a school. Mistake.
Mistake.
A mistake is something you do that is wrong or not correct.
Example 1.
I made a mistake on my English test.
Example 2.
It was a small mistake, don't worry.
Example 3.
We all make mistakes sometimes.
Mistake is a very common word. When you make a mistake, you should say sorry.
Sometimes we make big mistakes. Sometimes we make small mistakes.
In the conversation, Liam said, I made a big mistake.
He was talking about the book.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Accident.
Accident.
An accident is something that happens that you did not want to happen.
Example 1.
I broke the glass by accident.
Example 2.
It was an accident. I didn't mean to do it.
Example 3.
There was a car accident on the road.
Most mistakes are accidents. You do not try to do something bad.
If you spill water, it is an accident. You can say, I am sorry, it was an accident.
This helps the other person understand you are not a mean person.
Now we will listen to the conversation again. This time we will go very slowly.
Please listen carefully. Pay attention to the words like apologize, mistake, and accident.
You will hear how Liam says sorry. You will hear how Emma answers.
You do not need to understand every word. Just listen to the sound of the English.
Ready? Let's listen.
Hello, Emma. I am so sorry.
Hi, Liam. You are very late today. I waited for 30 minutes.
I know. Please apologize to me. Oh, I mean, please accept my apology. I missed the bus.
It is okay, Liam. But next time, please call me.
I wanted to call you, but I have more bad news.
What is it?
I made a big mistake. I have your book.
My English book?
Yes, it was an accident. I spilled my water on your book.
Oh no, Liam. That book was new.
I feel terrible. It is my fault. I am very sorry for the mess.
Is the book very wet?
Yes, the pages are wet. I am sorry. Truly, I am sorry.
I am a little sad. I need that book for class tomorrow.
I understand. Please forgive me. I will buy you a new book today.
You will buy a new one?
Yes, it is my responsibility. I want to make it right.
Okay, Liam. I accept your apology. Thank you for being honest.
Thank you, Emma. You are a very kind friend.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
I regret being so messy. From now on, I will be more careful.
Don't worry about it anymore. Let's go to the bookshop now.
Good idea. Let's go.
Good job listening. That was the slow version of the conversation.
Listening slowly helps your brain catch the words. It is like training for your ears.
You can listen to this part many times. Repeat after Liam and Emma.
Now let's learn more words about apologizing. Fault.
Fault.
Fault means you are the person who caused the mistake.
Example 1.
It is not my fault that the train is late.
Example 2.
He admitted that the mistake was his fault.
Example 3.
Whose fault is it that the window is broken?
We often say, it is my fault.
This is very honest.
People respect you when you say, it is my fault.
Don't say it is your fault to friends too much.
No, that is not very polite.
Forgive.
Forgive.
Forgive means to stop being angry with someone who made a mistake.
Example 1.
Please forgive me for being rude.
Example 2.
She forgave him for losing her keys.
Example 3.
It is hard to forgive someone who lies.
Forgiving is very important for friendship.
When you forgive someone, you feel light and happy again.
We often ask, can you forgive me?
In the conversation, Liam asked, please forgive me. Regret.
Regret.
Regret means to feel sad because you did something wrong.
Example 1.
I regret eating so much cake.
Example 2.
He regrets saying those mean words.
Example 3.
Do you have any regrets about your trip?
Regret is a strong feeling.
It shows that your heart is sorry.
When we apologize, we often feel regret.
Now, let's listen to the conversation one more time. This time, we will listen at natural speed.
This is how people speak in real life.
It might feel fast, but you can do it.
Just listen for the words we learned.
Ready? Let's go. Hello, Emma. I am so sorry.
Hi, Liam. You are very late today. I waited for 30 minutes.
I know. Please apologize to me. Oh, I mean, please accept my apology. I missed the bus.
It is okay, Liam. But next time, please call me.
I wanted to call you, but I have more bad news.
What is it?
I made a big mistake. I have your book.
My English book?
Yes, it was an accident. I spilled my water on your book.
Oh no, Liam. That book was new.
I feel terrible. It is my fault. I am very sorry for the mess.
Is the book very wet?
Yes, the pages are wet. I am sorry. Truly, I am sorry.
I am a little sad. I need that book for class tomorrow.
I understand. Please forgive me. I will buy you a new book today.
You will buy a new one?
Yes, it is my responsibility. I want to make it right.
Okay, Liam. I accept your apology. Thank you for being honest.
Thank you, Emma. You are a very kind friend.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
I regret being so messy. From now on, I will be more careful.
Don't worry about it anymore. Let's go to the bookshop now.
Good idea. Let's go.
Well done. That was the natural speed conversation.
You are doing great today. We have a few more words before we finish. Responsibility.
Responsibility.
Responsibility means it is your job to take care of something.
Example 1.
It is my responsibility to clean my room.
Example 2.
He took responsibility for the error.
Example 3.
Parents have a lot of responsibility.
This is a long word.
Yes, responsibility.
When you make a mistake, taking responsibility means you try to fix it.
Liam took responsibility by buying a new book. Honest.
Honest.
Honest means telling the truth.
Example 1.
Please be honest with me.
Example 2.
She is an honest person. She never lies.
Example 3.
To be honest, I don't like this movie.
Honesty is very important when apologizing.
If you lie about a mistake, it gets worse.
Emma thanked Liam for being honest.
Accept.
Accept.
Accept means to say yes to something.
Example 1.
I accept your apology.
Example 2.
Did she accept the gift?
Example 3.
They accepted the invitation to the party.
When someone says sorry, you can say, I accept your apology.
It means the problem is finished. Now it is time to review.
We will say the words and the meanings.
Please repeat after us.
Apologize.
To say you are sorry.
I apologize for being late. Mistake.
Something done wrong.
I made a mistake. Accident.
Something that happens without planning.
It was an accident. Fault.
Responsibility for a mistake.
It is my fault. Forgive.
To stop being angry.
Please forgive me. Regret.
To feel sad about an action.
I regret my mistake. Responsibility.
A duty to deal with something.
I take responsibility. Honest.
Telling the truth.
He is very honest.
Elizabeth, do you have a story about apologizing?
Yes, I do. When I was a little girl, I was playing in the house. I was running very fast. I hit a vase. It was my mother's favorite vase.
Oh no, did it break?
Yes, it broke into many pieces. I was very scared. I wanted to hide the pieces under the sofa.
Did you hide them?
No, I remembered what my father said. He said, always be honest. So I went to my mother. I said, Mom, I am so sorry. I made a big mistake.
What did she say?
She looked at the vase and she was sad. But then she looked at me. I said, it was an accident. I was running too fast. It is my fault.
Did she forgive you?
Yes, she said. Thank you for being honest, Elizabeth. I forgive you. I felt so much better. I helped her clean up the mess. I learned that apologizing is better than hiding.
That is a great story. Honesty makes apologizing easier.
Yes, it does.
Excellent work today, everyone. You learned how to talk about mistakes and apologies.
English learners often feel sorry when they make a mistake in grammar.
But don't apologize for learning.
Yes, mistakes are just steps on the way to being great at English.
Remember to use these words in your daily life. If you are late, say, I apologize for the delay.
If you forget something, say, it was an accident. I'm sorry.
We are very proud of you.
Thank you for studying with World English Studio.
What was your biggest mistake this week? Tell us in the comments.
We love to read your stories.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And please like this video.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.